Remember. And you boy, you complete this later. Okay? And I'll check that work in our next class. So decrease your eating time, increase your writing time. What were you discussing yesterday? Classification of organisms. So four we have completed. Now we will continue others. I think we'll stop over there only today, right? So what did you discuss? Could you remember? Children? Up to which phyla it's completed? Yeah. Nemathelminthes, roundworm. What are the distinguishing characteristics of roundworm? Their body is, they are okay, digestive system is complete. Sexes are separate. What do you mention there? Sexes are separate. And sorry, they are triploblastic animals. Means having how many layers? 3 layers, right? What are the examples? Or some leaves they belong to hookworm, pinworm, roundworm, etc. Right? Triploblastic, see, it was discussed. Triploblastic, elongated and cylindrical body with tapers ends, both the ends. Now next group, what is the next group? Next group is Annelida. Annelida, which animals belongs to Annelida? Earthworm, leech, nares, etc. Sandworm also, right? Sandworm. What are the major characteristics of Annelida? Their body is segmented, elongated, cylindrical, and segmented body. If you write segmented body, you will get 1 mark. That is the major category. What are you biting there? Miss? Next one is here. Nervous system consists of a nerve ring and nerve cord. This is also important. Eh? Nerve ring and nerve cord. Here also given they are, most of them are hermaphrodite, some are unisexual. And what is their locomotive organ? Seta is given there. There, yeah, that is quite important. They respire through body surface, and locomotory organ is seta. Where is given? Is given here. In this book it's not given. In our book it's given, right? SETAE. Seta is given or parapodia? Yeah. Seta or parapodia. So this is very important. Eh? Segmented body, seta or parapodia. Example already given. Now what to discuss here? Next group, which contains jointed appendages. Jointed appendages. Arthropoda. Their legs are jointed. For example, butterfly, crab, prawn, spider, centipede. And arthropoda is the group of organisms which contains maximum number of members, right? Many members are there. More than 1 lakh species are there. So what are the, and next thing we have to remember, arthropoda can be divided into 4 classes. How many classes? What are they? Crustacea, Insecta, Crustacea, Insecta. Next one, Arachnida, Myriapoda. Crustacea, crab. Insecta, butterfly. Arachnida, spider. Myriapoda, centipede, millipede, etc. So separately we are not going to discuss their characteristics now. What are the major characteristics of these organisms? Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Most of the body, organisms contain three parts in their body. What are they? Head, thorax, abdomen. Sometimes head and thorax are fused. And what is it called? Cephalothorax. If distinct head, thorax and abdomen are there, this okay. Sometimes two parts are fused. What is it called? Cephalothorax. Right? Cephalothorax. And they have here, they contain exoskeleton. Skeleton means hard part. Their outermost part is hard, and that is made up of chitin. This is also important. Some of them contain exoskeleton, which is made up of chitin. Body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. In some cases, head and thorax are fused. That is called cephalothorax. Next one is, how do they breathe through? They breathe through body surface, gills, or trachea. What is that? Body surface, gills, or trachea. Examples: butterfly, bee, centipede, millipede, crab, spider, prawn, housefly, etc. Major points you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now, what is the next group? Mollusca. Mollusca means whatever mind in your very soft body, right? Raju, have you eaten Paella globosa? Paella globosa. Ghungi.
Yes, sir.
Ghungi, this is very tasty. It depends upon. Have you eaten?
No.
He doesn't. I think he has stayed in Kathmandu for a long time, and he goes sometimes only in village. They don't know. But Raju, up to which class you were in village? You also born here, but when I think in his side they eat more because of that. So ghungi means the outer part is very hard, right? That is made up of calcium carbonate. But inner part that is very soft. The outer part is just protected layer only. Inner is just full of place, and they feed on. What are the organisms that belongs to mollusca? Slug, Chiplagira is there, right? Some people eat Chiplagira also, right? In summer season we have noticed them, especially rainy season whenever there is. Snail. The pile also looks like snail, but it is small in size. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish is our this name, and what is here? Octopus. Chinese they eat different type of things, no? So, what are the major characteristics? The body is very soft, but don't write this one, write this one. Body is divided into head, visceral mass, muscular feet, and mantle. Their body is divided into four parts. What are they? Head, visceral mass, muscular feet, and mantle. And their body is covered with exoskeleton, hard part, right? And that is made up of calcium carbonate or calcium. Yeah, their head contains tentacles and eyes. This is also important characteristics. In next group also there are tentacles. Where? Cylindrata. You go backside and stand up. You're feeling very much sleepy because acting inside the class is dangerous. But Jupuk. Where is the water bottle? You drink water. He has to appear AC very soon. Inside the class, he just Jupuk. Huh? What is that? Mira and water. Knocking at boss door. Jao, Guruji. Sui. If not study, what to do? Vada. Okay. How do they breathe? How do they breathe? They breathe through general body surface or gills, etc. And next group is, our next phylum is Echinodermata. Which animals belong to Echinodermata? Starfish, sea cucumber, sea urchin. So, what are the main characteristics of this one? Yeah, means their body is covered by spines. Some pointed structures are present there, right? Spines, and they do not have distinct head. And next thing, they move with the help of tube-like feet, right? Tube feet. So I think if you remember this, that is all about Echinodermata. Chordata. So Porifera, Cylindrata, Platyhelminthes, Nemathelminthes, they are less developed organisms, and they are more developed organisms. And actually, they contain one notochord. What do they contain? One thread-like structure is produced during their small or that um, baby stage, that is called notochord. And this chordata can be divided into four subphyla, right? What are the four subphyla? Hemichordata, cephalochordata. What are they? Hemichordata, urochordata, cephalochordata, and vertebrata. Euro, hemi, cephalo, and vertebrata. Mainly, we have to discuss about vertebrata. Vertebrata means which contain backbone mainly. Our fish, mayalu, snake, frog, pigeon, tiger, and we all lalu also belong to vertebrata. We are also animal. We lalu. So, first of all, we have discussed about fish. This Pisces, right? What is Pisces? Pisces. What are the main characteristics of Pisces? Yeah, their body is number one streamlined. Body is streamlined, boat shaped. Front part and back part is pointed. Middle part is wide. So it can cut the water current and swim easily. Okay. The airplanes are also streamlined one, right? Um, how do they respire? Yes. And their heart is two chambers. They are viviparous. No, oviparous. What are they? Oviparous. What is mean by oviparous? They are egg-laying organisms. Yes or no? Egg laying, remember, not egg producing. Even humans, ladies are also egg producing, but they do not lay eggs. Right? Egg is produced, but later on it decays. Next one is, what is that? Amphibia. Amphibia. Which are the animals that belongs to amphibia? Toad, frog, salamander, hyla. What a name is there, right? Hyla, hua. One song I have heard. But what is hyla? That is a kind of frog. It can climb on trees also. So it is also called tree frog. Tree frog, hyla. What are the characteristics of amphibia? Do you know? Yeah. Their body is divided into head and trunk. This is important characteristic. Body divided into two parts, head and trunk. Number second, they can grow or live in water as well as on land. I mean, they need both the things. They respire through lungs, but they have to make their skin moist. So for that, they have to go in water. Understood or not? Hey, these frogs, they become too much active during rainy season. Tan sound also comes, right? And when we hear their more tatter sound, then we can predict now it's going to rain heavily. But now in Kathmandu, we cannot hear their tatter sound because no more field is there, right? Just go to the village, everywhere field, everywhere the tatter silence. Number one, body is divided into head and trunk. Number second, they can grow on land as well as in water, or they need water for making their skin moist. If their skin become dry, they die. Matter is like that. They have three-chambered heart. How many chambered heart? Three-chambered means if this is the heart, one, two, three. Right auricle, left auricle, and ventricle. If only two-chambered, auricle and ventricle. Upper one is auricle, lower one is ventricle. If four-chambered means right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. In that way we have to remember. So here fertilization is external. What does it mean? First of all, female lays eggs in some places. Later on, male searches all those areas and produces semen with sperm there, and fusion of gamete takes place outside the body of female. That is called external fertilization. Okay. What is the next group? Reptilia. What do you say about reptilia? Reptile means they crawl actually. Their limbs are very weak. Some they don't contain limb also like snakes. So they move with the help of the muscles present in their body. And some of them have got wings, legs, limbs, even though they are very weak, they have to crawl. Their body size is very big and limbs are small one. What are the examples? Snake, lizard, crocodile, snake, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, Komodo dragon, dragon I think, Komodo dragon, very dangerous one, very big in size, right? So this one, what are the major characteristics? Body is covered with dry and horny scales. This is important. So from the skin of these animals, people make belt, jackets, something like that. There are four parts in their body. What are they? Head, neck, trunk, and tail. They crawl on the ground. That is also important characteristics. And then most of them have three-chambered heart, but crocodile has four-chambered heart. This is finished. Next one is our lovely birds, right? Apes. Duck, lophophorus, a hen, parrot, peacock, etc. What are the major characteristics of this one? Apes. Body is covered with feathers. There is no bird without feather. Some they contain more, some they contain less. Right? They have how many limbs? Two pairs of limbs. And they have hollow pneumatic bones. Very means hollow means there is nothing. There is presence of air. Because of that, they can fly easily in air. Here is one word, homothermic. Do you know what do you mean by homothermic? Warm-blooded, right? Homothermic means their body temperature remains constant in every conditions, whether in Australia, in Nepal, or Tarai, or Himalayan. That is the thing. And they contain toothless beak. What are they called? They contain toothless beak. Apes are called glorified reptiles. Remember, what are they called? Glorified reptiles. What do you call them? Why are we calling them glorified reptiles? Actually, they are developed from reptiles. They contain some of the properties of reptiles. They are advanced form of reptiles. That's why they are called glorified reptiles. Now the last one is mammalia. Mammalia, which are the examples? Whale, bat, rat, lion, human beings, cat, dog, many are there, right? Mammal means what is the main characteristic? Yeah, viviparous, giving birth to young ones, and there is presence of mammary gland. What is there? Means they suckle their babies. Yes or no? They suckle their babies. Means they produce milk. These are milk producing animals. Their body is covered with hair. There is presence of mammary gland. And they are viviparous. If you write 3 points, it's okay. These points you have to remember, eh? Then I think the chapter is over, right? Chapter is over. It's like this. Now here are some MCQs. Let's discuss. Okay, students. Will you read first one? What is given there? What are the main features of organisms under kingdom Plantae? Eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall, heterotrophs. Eukaryotic cell, cell without cell wall, heterotrophs. Eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall, autotrophs. Eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall, saprophyte. Third is correct. You must read all because they contain eukaryotic, well-developed nucleus present there. There is cell wall, autotrophs. They are green in color. They can manufacture their food themselves. Number 2, what is the question? Why is cycles kept in gymnosperm? Which one is correct? Which one? Second one? Bears flowers, leaves are needle-like. Okay? Bears cones instead of flowers, seeds are naked without fruit. Bears cones instead of flowers, seeds are enclosed in fruit. Which one is correct? Third is correct, not the second. Bears cones instead of flowers and seeds are naked without fruit. They are naked. Read all the options correctly. Now, 2 animals are shown in the figure. They belong to the same kingdom. Right? Kingdom. Look at the figure and write the main reason for grouping them under the same kingdom. Why are they kept in the same kingdom? Do you know? Multicellular have various organ system. Multicellular and heterotrophic. Multicellular and parasitic. Multicellular and oviparous. Which one is correct? Oviparous. Actually, animal kingdom means there are viviparous also. Then this is multicellular and heterotrophic. They contain many cells, and heterotrophic means they cannot manufacture their food themselves, obtained from others. Number D. Can you read the question? Based on evolution, which of the following groups of organisms are closely related? Closely related. Please see. What are they? Porifera, Annelida, Chordata, Porifera, Arthropoda, Chordata, Coelenterata, Arthropoda, Chordata, Platyhelminthes. I think they are related, right? First, Platyhelminthes, then Nemathelminthes, Annelida. Regularly. Number E. What is the main reason for classifying whales in the class Mammalia? Which one? Which one? Gives birth and suckle milk to young one. Okay, this last one is correct. Eh? Number F. Why are club mosses more advanced than the mosses? Club moss belongs to Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta.
Xylem and phloem tissue are found in their
Block muscles.
Which one?
Third one. Xylem and tissue are found in.
Xylem and phloem tissue are found in clubmus. Clubmus grows on the land. Clubmus is sporophyte. Sporophyte is dominant in alternation of generation. So, in bryophyte, are there xylem and phloem or not? Phloem or not? Check. In bryophyte, are there xylem and phloem? They are vascular or non-vascular?
They are not. They are lack of vascular system.
They have what? Lack of vascular system means so third one is correct, right? Number G. What is the question? To which kingdom do organisms having cell walls belong?
So what?
Having cell walls. Monera, fungi, animalia. Monera, planti, protista. Fungi, planti, animalia. Fungi, planti, monera.
There are fungi and many millions.
Cell wall. See? Which one is correct?
What's one?
In animalia there is cell wall? No. There is cell membrane. Then which one is correct? Which one is correct? Third one. Fungi, plant, animal. Animal contains cell wall. The mind is not focused. Fungi contains cell wall. Plant also contains cell wall. Yeah, monera. They contain cell wall. Bacteria contains cell wall. Number 8. What is the question?
With the
Egg-laying animals with 4-chambered heart and body covered with feather belong.
feather. Mammalias.
Body covered with feather means what is that?
Yes.
Mammalia also. Baapre. What do they do? I'm confused. Don't make others confused time and again. Number I and number J. What is the question? Which of the following group of plants belong to angiosperm? Angiosperm means Pinus corn pea, juniper maize gram, moss maize bean, paddy banana mango. Angiosperm means there is presence of well-developed flower.
Banana.
Sapam, which one is correct? Mean paddy, banana, mango. Yeah, you think this one? Yeah, this is right. Paddy, well-developed flower. Banana, well-developed flower. Mango, well-developed flower. Question number J. Read question. Which one? Tracheophyta. Got the idea? Another. In that way, we have to discuss. So next bell, we will discuss the question answers. Then I will give you questions to do. Understood or not? So from our set book also we will discuss some questions. From this book also we will discuss. And tomorrow is your holiday. Holiday means little bit more work. 50 mark question will be given today. Holiday means how much mark it comes? 50. Saturday means 75. Got the idea? Have you got homework last time? You haven't got? Now from this week I will give you. This Friday there is lovely coffee for you. Did you solve? Yeah? Last Friday there was your exam or not? I have given? Good. I will give once again, right? Okay, please read the remaining portion now.